Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can turn on quiet mode on Facebook. Maybe you want to turn on quiet mode on Facebook but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can turn on quiet mode on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into your home page. And as you can see on the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see here the profile icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this page and you can scroll down. And as you can see in here, the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down icon and select the settings. Under the settings and privacy, you'll see here the preferences. Under the preferences, select your time on Facebook. Once you tap on it, you will see here Manage Your Time. Tap on this C tool. In here, you'll see the quiet mode. Mute push notification and limit notification dots. The next time you open up on this device, you'll get a reminder that quiet mode is on. If you want quiet mode to turn on, simply toggle the button. And you can also set time for it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to turn on your quiet mode on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can turn on your quiet mode on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.